Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'd like to share with you some ultra boxes that I made, and I used this jewelry box that I bought a few months ago from Walmart, but you can also get something very similar at Dollar Tree. It comes 3 in a pack. It comes one that's this size, and then comes with a really long one and then a smaller one, and they are white and they are just ready for you to alter. So what I did with mine was I did paint it white, and then I just altered the front using nothing but scraps. Now I got that idea from Rena, who is Scrapbook Fashionista here on YouTube. She said don't throw your scraps away, use them, and she made some cards using a lot of her scraps, and I really liked that idea, so I went with it and I altered 3 of these boxes. Months ago I shared with you these jewelry that I got from Walmart, and I said that I like to use this jewelry as embellishments, and then the box will alter it and I can add some goodies inside. The Polkadoodles collections I used were the Ruby Girls. Now I used both collections, Ruby 1 and Rubies 2, and I think they are just absolutely beautiful, you guys. And what I love the best is that they already come colored. Also, what I really like about digital is that you can pretty much make them as big or as small as you want. So I just have here these two just to show you, you know, the 2 different ones that I've used before. I've used this smaller one and then this bigger one. This one, a laminated one. And then these, I used both of these images to alter the boxes, and I will show them to you in a bit. Just wanted to share that with you really quickly. Now let me show you my project. So here is the first box, and I think it is just so beautiful. Look how beautiful that is, and you can see all of the scraps. So the paper collection I use is from Knitwit, and I think it's called Cottage Garden or something like that, but it is beautiful. It's super shabby. I love the colors, and I thought it went well with the rubies. You know, it's just very shabby and lots of flowers in it. So as you can see there, I have the base. I have, you know, covering the whole front of the box. And then I have 3 strips of paper that I distressed using my scissors, and then I just tucked in some trim. So you can do the same thing with your laces and trim. If you have those really small pieces, don't throw them away. Just tuck them in between, you know, the pieces of paper, in between the layers, and it just adds like a really nice texture to your project. So here is this cluster of flowers that I got from downtown LA. Here is that jewelry piece that I was talking about. This was a necklace, and I used it as just as an embellishment, just to add some bling. And there is another piece of trim that I used right there, or it's not a trim, it's lace. That was just a scrap, and instead of throwing it away, I just thought I would just tuck it in there. And then now this trim is also from downtown LA, and is really pretty sequins. And there is my beautiful Ruby Girl. So there's my first box. Here is my second box, and look how cute that is. So remember I shared with you in the beginning of the video that image. So there it is, the same exact image, just different size. Again, I just have, you can see, just scraps of paper, distressed it using my scissors. I tucked that piece of trim, and then just a cluster of flowers. There is another piece of lace. This was cut in half, I think, and I used this piece for the bottom, and then this other piece, this was supposed to be the top piece of that lace, and I just added it to the bottom. So, and here is another piece of lace. This is from downtown LA, and my flowers are all from downtown LA. I think I said that already. Here is another one. This one looks a little bit more cleaner than the rest, I think. Another piece of jewelry. Pretty much everything is the same, you guys. 3 pieces of paper, distressed them, layered them, added a piece of lace, my Ruby Girl, and the cluster of flowers. Now this trim is from Hobby Lobby. This is like the only one. I think everything else is from downtown LA. Now what I've included inside of these, because all of these 3 boxes are going to 3 different subbies, and I've included some of my handmade embellishments. I know the paper is all wrinkled because I've done this video like I don't know how many times. Some of my shaker handmade embellishments, and then some of my shaker tags. So this is going out to a subby that I was supposed to send out months ago. It was for a birthday for someone that was back in September, so I am like super late. And then this is for someone else. So Anyways, I really do hope that you ladies like my project. Don't forget to comment down below, and please open up the description box for direct links on the Rubies collections 1 and 2. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all have an amazing day. Bye everyone.